As we are already changing the existing template, I'll like to use this opportunity to explain this toolbar to you. So this toolbar is specific to what we select over here. So as this shape is already selected, so we can change the color of the shape. So the brownish one, as you can see, I can click on this brownish one and I can change its color. This is that. Okay. And for this circle, similarly, I can click this and I can change its color. Now the very important feature is this position. So what does position do is it can move it backward or forward. What do we mean by it? Is that see in this quotes, this is in the forward. So the shape is before this layer of text. So what happens that I cannot read it properly. So I want to move it backward. That is, I want the quote text to be seen first. So I can select this and I can position it to move backwards. Yeah, it is done now. See, year over year, H is forward and the grayish part is in the backside one. So that's it. This is the position and this is the transparency. So we'll learn about transparency later, but it's like the shady portion. This is very darkish one. So to make it like quite shady kind, you can just make it very transparent. More on it we'll learn in the next sections, but for now this should be enough. So this is the link. So sometimes if you want to create like a in the PDFs and all, you can just link it to some hyperlinks and stuff. But for now, for Instagram stories, this is not necessary. This is very important feature, lock. So what happens that you are changing other parts of things, like you want to change this, but you want to keep this intact and you don't want to change its size or anything. So you'll just lock it. So once it is locked, you cannot change its size. See, these kinds of changing options, right? They disappear when you lock the shape or lock whatever it is. So to do so, you can to do changes once after it is locked, you can unlock it also. So this is the option to unlock it. And this is to duplicate. So you can just create another one and you can use it anywhere else. Yeah.